Assemble the wall plate using the included screws. Attach the rail with the large hole in the center to the top of the center plate. Then attach the other rail to the bottom of the center plate. Separate the slide plate from the 3-axis adjustment unit by loosening the side set screw, removing the 2 large screws, and sliding the plate off. Attach the plate to the top of the projector using the 4 included screws. Attach the 3-axis adjustment unit to the mount arm using the included screws. For images less than 80 inches, attach the axis in position 1. For images 80 inches or larger, attach the axis in position 2.